Okay.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi ladies. My hot topic goes like this. I am a lady anevana vake 3. Murume wangu anoita zvema-trucks. And the story is my firstborn just wrote grade 7. Iro gore rino and chokwadi chataiziva kubva kare ndechekuti mwana wangu idofo. Even mu class chaimo, she wasn't doing well. Grade 7 yake, she had 9 units for every other subject except for Shona, yakaita 6 units. I was worried about finding her a school for Form 1, but Murume wangu stopped me and said, don't worry. I have a friend who works at a very well-known high school who can help mwana wangu awane njimbo. The problem is, yesterday, I asked him if we buy the uniforms, totenga kuchikoro or in common shops. Vedari, murume wangu akasimka nehasha, achindudza kuti mwana hapana high school yaanoenda. Ndikabvunza kuti nei zvikanzi ngaaende kunodzokorora grade 7 iyoyo atange apasa. Makambozvinzwa kupi naivedari? I tried kutaura naye murume wangu. Kwakutondudza kuti mwana wako idofo. Kana wafunga zvekumuendesa kuhigh school, uchabhadhara fees ndiwe. Ndoibhadhara sei fees ini ndisingashande? Nai zvinoita here kuti mwana adzokere kuchikoro kunodzokorora grade 7. Ndomuonesa sei murume wangu? Ini ndinotofunga kuti dofo ndiye murume wangu because I don't even know kuti chikoro chake akagumira papi. Zvinoita here kuti tiite kunge we don't care about our child's future. Mwana anofila sei achidzidza nevamwe who were a grade lower than her. What can I do? Asivedari. How can I convince my husband kuti tiendese mwana ku Form 1 and kudzokorora grade 7 will be a waste of time? Iyo I hot topic yetu.
Koma results ababa, guys. Zvichiri zvekuwirana rezvi. Plus, what I think for the purposes of this conversation, let's not use dofo. I think it's a really harsh word.
It's a very derogatory term.
Let's not use that. Let's not use that. So for the child to go back to grade 7 or not, that's the question. And also how to convince the husband to because she's not buying into the idea kuti adzokere kumashure. Someone says, basi mwana akafoira hake. So it's 9 units for every other subject and 6 units for Shona.
Shona, yes.
Okay. Someone says here, mwana ngaadzokorore. High school is a waste of money. Mwana is not ready. And also just try to be humble. And I think humble should be the first advice we give her, because not a really good route to take if you want to convince him otherwise. So that's my take. So we're getting your voice notes on 0772162651. Mwana odzokora ere grade 7 odzokorodzwa ere guys ganoti mnanu ngenda kumberi. I mean, what do you make of this, Sakile, before I answer calls and take voice notes?
I think considering also that I mean, this woman is also established kuti even kuvira nekuvira.
That's what she said.
Yes.
Okay.
But however, I think what we also lack is we need to look at this child and see what this child is also good at. And I believe this child might not be so good kuchikoro
intellectually,
but sometimes pane sport ya anogona. Are talented? It could be music. It could be, I don't know what this child could be talented in. Yes. Yes.
Alright, vachimbotarisa odzokorora here grade 7 kana toendera mberi. What do you think?
I don't think adzokorodzi. I think
angoenda kumberi.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Hello, you're live on Star FM.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you, sir. What's your contribution?
Mwana grade 6 if possible.
Grade 6?
Alright. There's very little things that you could learn there. Grade 6, that's the road. You can also push a man up to the Form 4, you can problem you come to reduce the same treatment.
Asi kumudzokorodzesa apa tiri kuti aite sei, because amai vari kuti kubva kudhara ende hatina kutomboshamisika because mwana uyu taiziva kuti haana tarisiro in codes. So saka kudzokorodza, do you think it's a solution?
It is a solution. Vana vanosiyana. Maybe a slow learner. So you have to put time and effort in that child. atirabva taketi mwana idoko zitantadza grade 7
Okay.
Yes, it needs time and attention.
Okay. So they need more attention. So Ngadzo get a grade 6 even. Hello, you're live on Star FM. Boss, you same data.
Moje, ingori nyaya notara ingori nyaya age. Yekuti mpana kana ari grade 7 manje age yake idiki kuti tikwanise kuona zvakanaka achikuona mamwe
kuona mazvimwe zvaanogona
Exactly. But kudzokeredza grade 7 I tell you is a waste of time.
Okay.
What I would suggest is
Yeah. So I was hearing your voice in the background. Make sure you reduce the volume of your radio. Could you just feedback and also no batama sai for your donor. And my sister went back after Aita 27 units kudarai koko kwatai kwangone ma 4 units and she got 13 units afterwards. So let her go back. Moita monitor. This is a mine no per Headcliff. Another voice note. Another call. Hello, you're live on Star FM.
Hi, Donna. How are you?
Good, thank you, ma'am. What's your contribution?
And then my contribution, speaking from experience, I've got a brother.
Okay.
So what I did was I set my relatives down because I was a bit older then. You know what? I just said that I watch for because I think Papa Nika spirit to compare another. So we nurtured the young man sport, and he was very good and all-rounder.
Wow.
But it's chikoro chaicho akato identify one of the A schools vakamutora achitambira chikoro chicho rugby akabva ikoko akazonotamba kusables akazoidentified nekamwe kamugeti.
How lovely.
You can push a child academically, but that's not the thing. Mwana ngaenderere mberi kuchikoro. Grade 7 is just a screening kuti ndevati vachaenda kuma A schools.
Yes.
Ndevati vachaenda kwaMTVC. Grade 7 aitomborwi paCV. Aitomboripo paCV yedu abatorina.
Saka mwana ngaende kumberi.
Aiwa mwana ngaende kumberi. And mai ngavasatariseka kuti ari kuenda kuchikoro chakaita sei. Chero kaenda kuchikoro emission school. Even ngavachinjisa muma extra lessons and also nurture him in sport. Apana mwana anonzi mirofu, akuna
zvakadaro. Thank you so much. Sound judgment. Anza shibatsiri kuendesa an extremely dull kid ku high school from primary. Look for a private tutor for her to learn the basics of reading and writing. And then vomuiti some vocational courses. Farira like maybe baking or kusona, etc. And then kungo dzidzira from experienced people in the industry. That is Kuda from Mutare. You've got other messages on our WhatsApp?
Yes, and if they know kuti mwana zvomunetsa zve is it better to proceed to Form 1 and be able to do so that she can do other things non-academic asati achembera ukutizira.
But also the dad, you see the dad is not on board with the idea. The dad is so adamant. He's thinking, mwana ngaatodzokera. It's either ari kudzokera kana kuti uri kubhadhara. So I think the other element of the hot topic is then how to convince the dad to say, I think mwana hatingotarise chi intellectual chi capacity. Totarisa zvimwe zvakadaro. So also how to convince the dad.
And I would love to just say, you know what, I don't think that this child is too young. Because you will look at some people who have done great things and they'll tell you, okay, I started singing at like 6. I started
swimming at like 3.
Swimming at like 3, yeah. So this child is not too young to probably distinguish what she's good at.
So the hot topic, mwana oenda kumberere, vari kufunga kuti oenda kumberi, then how to convince the dad? Because the dad is thinking, nah, mwana ngadzokere, grade 6 even.
This is a